Hello off-gridders, welcome back to Tiny House and Off-Grid Resources. Tonight I'm going to show you how you can cook a beautiful meat and three veg over a blazing wood stove in just a little under 20 minutes. These are Maori potatoes. The Maori potatoes, they were the ones that the Polynesian Maori used to have as part of their staple diet before Europeans arrived in New Zealand. Here's my rainwater barrel that captures water off the roof that I use in the garden. I'm going to give these things a quick rinse before I take them inside. Living off-grid in New Zealand is quite easy. Land is in abundance and the lifestyle is free and easy. So here I am getting the fire ready. It only takes a few minutes, just some dry cardboard and dry sticks. These stoves breathe exceptionally well and they can be opened right up to get them roaring in no time at all. Then they can be settled down for an evening's warmth or cooking, whatever you need. Just one lit piece of paper in front of the air vent. Make sure the twigs are inside and then the door can be closed. Open the front vent and the bottom vent, and away she goes. After a couple of minutes, it's worth opening the door and stacking it up with some good firewood for cooking, and within another 2 or 3 minutes that too will be burning merrily and you'll be ready to cook. From the very moment I started the stove, I had 2 cups full of water heating up on the top. The lid's almost boiling on that within 5 minutes, so I'll give these potatoes a quick scrub. These potatoes are purple. They're purple on the outside, they're purple on the inside. They're small and knobbly, but they taste pretty much just like normal potatoes. Now watch the colour of the water. So I'll just leave them soaking for a few minutes in some clean water and then I'll get them in as soon as the pot starts to boil. Right, the pot's boiling. Really the only thing that you need to learn with cooking on an open fire is that the regulation won't be as instant as on either gas or electric. You have to just learn new ways of doing it and planning ahead just slightly more than with normal cooking. So here we go, that's boiling merrily, so I'll move it right to the back. It's still picking up the heat off the flue, but it gives me all the space here for the frying pan. So I'll put the oil in. While the oil's heating up, I've been out to the garden and picked up some beetroot greenery and some silver beet. I'll put the stalks in first because they'll take longer to cook. And by now the oil in the pan should be, yep, almost hot enough. Yep. Time to put the steak in. Give that a little bit of seasoning. So that's going to get about 4 minutes on side A. And I'll then turn it over and put the greenery in. At that stage it's almost ready to take the steak off the heat, and it can be left to cool and finish by itself. And I'll put the veggies back over the main heat, give them one last boil up before I serve. And that's it, the entire meal including lighting the fire, done in under 20 minutes. Look out, it's going to no, it's not. And all that remains now is for me to serve this up and enjoy a fast, nutritious meal on a blazing stove's wood fire.